this episode of Food Rhymes in Life, we'll be exploring the tropical island of Puerto Galera. This lesser-known Filipino gem, conveniently located 140 kilometers from Manila, draws the perfect balance between accessibility and natural beauty. From local festivities to behind the scenes inside the kitchen of a small family restaurant, join me for a glimpse of what this scenic paradise has to offer. I'm your host, the Solo Traveler. If you want to support the show, simply subscribe, like, or share with a friend. I make all original music for the show. I've left my Spotify link below, and without further ado, please enjoy the video. Welcome to the Philippines, an archipelago of over 7,000 islands, and despite the abundance of natural beauty, I believe that this country's number one resource is its people. I have found them to be the most friendly and welcoming in all of Southeast Asia, and although I'm sure the overall level of English proficiency across the nation adds to their confident and outgoing nature, and thus helps to generate this ingratiating vibe that I'm feeling, the kind hearts of this robust citizenry undoubtedly play a major factor as well. I believe that Filipino cuisine in general gets a bad rap, so I've come to the Pearl of the Orient to prove that Filipino food doesn't suck at all. You simply need to know what you're looking for.
So I'm down here in the Sabang area, Sabang beach area, which is primarily known for its nightlife and for its scuba diving. There's one overarching subject that I wanted to bring up about what I'm seeing in the Philippines. Now, it seems to me that there is a ton of Korean money flooding into the Philippines, and it seemed the same, 5 years ago when I was here. So I mean, it's not a new thing necessarily, but it's definitely accentuated in this part of town. For me as a tourist, nothing against Korean people or their food, I love it, but I do like to try to get something closer to like a unique, authentic experience when I go traveling, and I've never really understood the urge to like, oh, I need everything like it is in my home country when I come to a new country. But yeah, there's definitely a bit of a takeover going on here. Love it here though, it's great.
Relax Bar, a small family-owned and run restaurant located in the red light district of Sabang Beach. The proprietor was nice enough to give me a look behind the scenes at the preparation process for my favorite Filipino dish, Kinilaw. It's basically the Filipino version of ceviche, the main difference being that Kinilaw is made with vinegar to partially cook the fish without heat, where with ceviche this process is done with lime juice. Add diced cucumber, tomatoes, and some purple onion for zing, a healthy dose of chopped chili and ginger, nice healthy chunks of it too, lovely. A sprinkle of salt and pepper. I see an idle shaker of MSG, but maybe he didn't want to use it on camera. Next, give it a strain. A bit of citrus, give it a mix, and plate up. And bon appetit, a true highlight of Filipino cuisine. It's funny, actually, yesterday I was searching all around Puerto Galera for some fresh Kinilaw, and I cannot find it anywhere. There's many restaurants that are supposed to be making it, and I couldn't find it anywhere, and it's due to a bit of a lack of the certain type of fish that they're using. Actually, do you know the name of the fish?
Tanigi, sir.
Tanigi?
Tanigi.
Okay, so a lack of tanigi, which is a beautiful white fish. A beautiful local white fish. And so let's just get into this thing here too. I've also got some rice off on the side because we got a nice spicy one here. Man, that fish is so good. Deliciously fresh, just slightly cooked by the vinegar and lemon juice and salt. And then we've got these really nice fresh crunchy vegetables here. I like that they've added a bit of crunch. That's one thing I like about the Filipino ceviche is it's a little bit spicier than, like, say, the Peruvian. Nice bit of rice on the side. And, of course, my dark, unethical master, Coca-Cola. If you're going to come to the Philippines, you need to try this dish. It's my personal favorite. Just spectacular. Afterwards, I was invited to a party at the owner's home.
This day, we celebrate the Patron Saint of our village.
Yeah.
So it's like Catholic way.
Yeah.
So the Sacred Heart of Jesus are having a feast day today, so all of the village are celebrating for his day. So everyone prepares some food, some drinks, and everyone get drunk.
I'm curious, why are you like one of the hosts? Are there certain people that host it every year, or how does it work in the neighborhood?
No. Neighborhood are same. All are the same.
Yeah.
Each house prepared some local dishes. They got some drinks.
So everyone does it, and people go to each other's houses. Okay.
That's it. Yeah.
So what are you serving?
In this part, I get the pork apretada. It comes with like some pork.
Okay.
So the base is tomato, some vegetables, tomato sauce. So
that one was probably my favorite out of all of them, to be honest.
We also put some slice of some liver on it.
Yeah, I noticed you have like a hot dog style in
That's
there too.
That's it.
Yeah,
local hot dog. This one is like the pork knuckle version of adobo. It's a local dish. So it's like the leg of the pig, like the pork knuckle.
Yeah.
Pork knuckle. So soya, some vinegar, garlic, and onion is the base.
This one to me, like, mostly closely resembles like a Western stew. It reminds me of like a beef stew from back home.
That's it, yeah. Yo, the caldereta, the base of the sauce is like some peanut butter sauce and some the liver paste.
I didn't know that they use peanut butter.
Peanut butter and liver paste. That's the base, man.
Liver paste. Yeah. Okay, so like pate on liver paste.
That's it. So that's it.
And then the last one?
Stir-fried vegetables.
Just to add some vegetables. Nice. Okay.
The food of Benson is the best.
I agree. We're getting smashed off the classic 8% or 7% Red Horse, a Filipino classic that I really have grown to enjoy. Yeah, how was the food?
Good, delicious.
How's the Red Horse?
Very good.
Classic. And we're gonna head up and check out some local bands here in a bit.
All right, on bass, Mr. AJ.
I'm not busting out all the equipment and shit up in here tonight.
Let's go on it.
Mashed up the Red Bulls. Just having a good time. See you later. So last night was a blast. I'm here now, a bit hungover at my hotel. It's called the Blue Crystal Beach Resort, and this place is just excellent. I mean, look behind me here. I'll do a 360 just because it's nice. So it's like this old school, tucked away in the jungle a little bit, but right down private beach. Anyways, we're gonna rip down to Playa Blanca and go get some hangover medicine, food. So yeah, I'll see you there. Now it's early, it's about 11 o'clock in the afternoon, but I don't know, down here by the sea, might look into some seafood or something like that. We'll see what they have to offer, but really nice chill place here, as you can see behind me. No thanks. However, there are always people trying to sell you shit. But yeah, as you can see, very beautiful background here, white sandy beaches. Let's go get some lunch. Okay, so even though it's breakfast time, and I don't normally eat fish for breakfast, down by the sea, and I saw this really nice menu with catch of the day. I'm all about catch of the day because you know it's going to be some nice fresh fish, especially when you're down by the ocean. It's dorada fish, which is the local white fish. The nice thing that caught my eye is it's done with like this beautiful lemon sauce, and it looks to have capers and olives on the top too, which is generally a pretty good combination. So let's get into this. And yeah, let's try these potatoes. They look really good. I'm not sure exactly how they've been cooked either, to be honest. But they're well cooked. Maybe like 10% undercooked, but like still really good. With the black pepper, the parsley, and the lemon sauce, delicious. We'll have a little go at the tomatoes. I mean, simple enough. But a nice add-on and a tasty tomato with the salt. Then let's have a go at this fish. So it's got olives, chopped up garlic, and capers. Wow, the combination is really good. The lemon sauce is beautiful. I think it's like a lemon butter sauce. It's a meaty fish, classic white fish, fresh, delicious. Very impressed. Nice breakfast down here by the sea, so cannot complain. This is quite the set of steps here to navigate. Always fun, especially because I left my phone in my bike. So now, this is the second time I've had to make a less than desirable trip up the stairway of doom. As you can see, I'm not the only one. Hello.
Well, PG definitely did not disappoint. Time to make my way back to Manila and hop a flight to the island of Boracay, where we can see how it stacks up against my favorite island in the Philippines. Thus far, anyways.
Alright, if you've made it to the end of the video, I'm assuming that you've enjoyed the content, so all I ask is that you subscribe, maybe like the video, share it with a friend or something like that. I'm putting a lot of work into these. I'm making all the music, I'm doing all the editing, writing the voiceovers, etc. So I would really appreciate it. Help me get those numbers up. Maybe we can start to monetize this thing and make it a more sustainable venture, you know, through time. And I'll keep bringing these videos. Cheers, thanks.